So now we're a little bit uncharted waters with respect to that.
If I can respond to that, you're right. I don't want to get too much into a law school exercise on this one. Frankly, city attorneys often present a very unique example of legal representation from a lawyer's perspective, because we represent such a large and diverse client that has the potential to speak with so many different voices. It often causes analytically a lot of questions to arise. But in this case, what happens is, under Charter 11.02, I do represent the entire city, specifically by the terms and definitions of 11.02. I represent the city council, the city manager, all departments, all boards, all commissions. In this particular case, I will give you sort of the legal analytical approach to this, and it may not represent a lot of common sense for a lot of folks, but I will give you at least that analytical approach to this. The interests of the city are, on this side, the ones that are sort of, if you would, represented by what one would really think of as being the planning director's sort of voice at this point. Why that is not different, why that is not a conflict with the Board of Zoning Appeals is because in this particular instance, the Board of Zoning Appeals is really sitting as a judge. You're in a quasi-judicial capacity. And so, think about it this way, Mr. Allen. If I sued you in circuit court before Judge Dawkins, you get a judgment against me, and I don't like the judgment, and I wish to appeal it to the Virginia Supreme Court. I will have a lawyer when we go to the Supreme Court. You will have a lawyer when you go to the Supreme Court, but Judge Dawkins does not, because he was the judge in the case. Similarly here, the BZA sat as a judge. You rendered a decision, and what is being appealed is really a matter for the lawyers of the landowners and the city to advocate before each other, and your record gets sent up to the circuit court to be reviewed. And so just like Judge Dawkins' record would be sent to the Supreme Court, and they would make their decisions based upon what Judge Dawkins is in the official record of Judge Dawkins, similar here. So I continue to represent the city because in this instance, the BZA doesn't really have, in common parlance, no dog in that fight.